Hello guys, welcome to Creative Projects. Today I am going to show you how to track any object in a footage and how to use Track Motion tool in After Effects with simple and easy method. First of all, you need two files. The first one is the main footage which have an object you want to track, and in the second file there can be any other name, logo and picture which you want to move or track with the object. Here I am using the name that is drone. First of all, import these two files in After Effects. First drag your main footage in composition panel and then drag the name file. Now place the name file above the main footage. Now place this name with the object which you want to track. Now create a null object. Now delete extra footage. Select the main footage and go to Tracker panel. If you can't see the Tracker panel, then simply open the Windows tab and you will easily find the Tracker option. After that, put indicator on the side of the place you have to track the object. Now select the Track Motion in the Tracker panel. You can see the track point is generated. Now place it around the object very carefully. After placing the track point, click on this play button in Tracker panel. So the track point automatically follow the movement of the object. After that, click on the Edit Target and select null object which you made at the beginning. Then click on Apply option in Tracker panel and select X and Y. Now select the drone name layer and drag this parent pick option to the null object. You can see the name is following the movement of drone. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy this video, then like the video and subscribe my channel for short, quick and easy tutorials.